All right, what's going on, beautiful people? Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well today. Going to talk about some PIPS today. Some PIPS. PIPS pays my bills. PIPS pays my bills. Going to show you guys a nifty little tool that I use to trade Forex. This tool I've been using probably for, I say about 6 months. 6 months. So if you're not trading Forex, you need to be trading Forex, guys. I'm going to let you in on a little secret once I get done with this video of a little bonus that I have for those of you who join me in Forex, all right? This bonus is going to help you tremendously. So if you're tuning in today, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm going to show you guys this tool that I'm using called the Holy Grail. Now, this is a Forex indicator. And if you don't know what an indicator is just a tool that is going to enhance your trading. It's just a tool. It's not the answer to everything when it comes to trading, but it's something that's going to enhance what you're doing. It's going to give you, this particular tool gives you great entry points, helps you with your entry points, your exit points. It just does a lot of things, which is very, very, very cool. So let me turn my camera around. I'm going to show you what I have here. Give me 1 second. All right, turn my light off. So this is the Holy Grail, guys. This is the indicator that I use right here. Okay. Now, you see right here, there's a few things that it does. First of all, you see that buy symbol right there, okay? It tells you when to buy, and it tells you when to get out of a trade as well. Let me show you an example of that. So right here, this is the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart right here, all right? Now, you see how price came down here, broke this moving averages, the 50 and the 200 in moving average, which was a strong move right here. And you see this little X right here. So that X means a reversal is coming, okay, which it did, okay. This is the 4-hour chart. So if you want to see that reversal happening right now, this is it right here. This is that reversal that's happening right now. This is on the hour chart, all right. You see this great move. You see the arrow here. Excuse me. Here's the arrow. So what happens is the Holy Grail gives you 3 to 4 confirmations before you get into a trade. The first confirmation is an arrow. The second confirmation is a buy or a sell symbol. The third confirmation can be a strong cross of the 50 moving average, which is this is the yellow line right here, which is the 50 moving average. And then this is my 200 moving average right here. So I actually got in on this trade right in here because I knew what it was going to do. I knew it was going to cross this right here. But if you want a safer entry, you would have entered right now above this 50 moving average. Now, the other thing that it does is this down here. You see this MACD down here? This is called a solar wind. And you see the solar wind is starting to curve up. All right. Now, another confirmation is when it turns green. You could have entered. You could enter when it turns green. But I already had 3 confirmations before it even turned green. I had the arrow. I had the buy symbol. I had the cross I had a strong move up, and it closed above the 50 moving average. On the 4-hour chart, you can actually see the solar wind. So you see price here. You see the sell symbol. You see the arrows right here, which is a confirmation number 2. And then a bigger arrow here, confirmation number 3. Confirmation number 4, the cross closed below the moving averages. And then confirmation, you got a 5th confirmation right here where the solar wind turns from green to red. And that lets you know you were selling on the 4-hour. I actually got into this trade last Friday, and caught some pretty good pips. So let's go back to the hour. So as you can see, the solar wind is coming up, crossed above, and then we have a buy. Now, the other confirmation that I like to look at to solidify this, I like to see buys at least 3 times. So I got a buy symbol right here, okay, which is on the hour. I have a buy signal on the 30-minute, okay, and I'll also have a buy symbol on the 15-minute chart. And this is I like what I see here, because on the 15-minute chart, you see that not only did it cross the 50 moving average, but it also crossed the 200 moving average, and we're looking for price to continue up. Let's see what it looks like on the 30-minute chart. So the 30-minute chart has crossed the 50 moving average. We're looking for price to break this 200 moving average, which is the aqua blue line right there. Okay. So that is the tool I use, guys. Now, I've had a lot of people approach me about this tool, wanting this tool. Let me just tell you real quickly. Let me turn my camera around. So real quick, if you're not trading, if you know nothing about trading, I wouldn't recommend the Holy Grail initially. The Holy Grail is only going to benefit you once you learn how to trade, once you learn the basics, at least the basics about trading. All right. So let's talk about the bonus that I was going to talk to you about early on in this video. So what I'm doing right now, for those of you who join me in Epic Trading is the company that I've partnered with that teaches you Forex education. If you're not involved in Forex, guys, you're missing out big time. You're missing out on some true passive income, not only immediate income, but income that you can grow, that you can leverage and compound on a regular basis. And for a long time, you can pass this skill down to your family. You can pass the skill down for generations to come. Okay. It's a very, very powerful skill set. Skill sets and self-education, guys, can make you a fortune. So keep that in mind. Now, here's my bonuses for those who've joined you. Now, Epic Trading is $99 a month. Very, very affordable. I've had people join me inside of Epic, guys, that are doing very well. They've never traded before. They're loving this system. They're loving the education. I got quite a bit of people who's joined me that's just copying and pasting the trades from the master traders, and they're profiting like that as well. Many people are doing that. So it can be a very, very passive way to make income from your cell phone. All right. So bonus number 1, when you join me, I'm going to give you a $25 rebate immediately. Okay. You're going to get that. The second, so to speak, bonus or challenge that I have for you is a $500 challenge. What does that mean? That means if you join me today, for example, and in 90 days or 3 months, you don't make a single dime in trading, okay, which is highly impossible if you're taking trades from the master traders or you're doing something on your own. If you don't make a single dime, I'm going to give you $500. Okay, that's powerful. If you don't make a single dime, $500 is going in your pocket from me if you don't make a single dime in 90 days. But you have to engage. You have to actually take trades. You can't just not take trades and expect to give you $500 at the end of 90 days. Doesn't work like that. And the third bonus, which is huge, guys, listen closely, because I did a video about this yesterday. If you did not see my video on YouTube, please reach out to me to get that video, because I go in detail about this particular offer. So I've come across a resource that is going to allow you to get funded for trading. Let me say that one more time. I've come across a resource that's going to allow you or help you to get funded for trading. There are some parameters. There are some rules you have to follow. There's a time frame to all of this as well. You have to follow the rules strictly. And this company will help you fund a live account with their own money. So in essence, You're not reaching in your pocket using your own money. If you pass the test, which the test that they have for you is not hard, you they will not only compensate you every 2 weeks, okay, on what you make in your trading account, which is what they do. They start you out with a demo account, and whatever you make, they would actually pay you. They will actually pay you a percentage of what you make in your trading account. And then they will add a certain percentage to a live account. And then after a few months, you're able to trade live if you meet the criteria. Okay, you have to have a certain amount in your trading account, or a certain amount of profit that you've made in order to start trading live. But the company is legit. It's something that everyone who's trading, you need it, especially if you don't want to if you don't want to use your own money. So that's my last bonus, guys. So for those of you who join me, you will get these bonuses. And I'll go ahead and throw in a little vacation stay as well, inside of that bonus as well. As far as the last bonus with the funding source, it is for a limited amount of time. There's only a certain amount of people, or a certain number of people I can get in. 100 people max is what I'm taking right now. So if you're looking for a funding source, you don't want to use your own hard-earned money to start trading, then you need to reach out to me so I can get you started with this particular process. All right. If you're not on my Epic trading team, you need to join me in order to get this source. That's part of the bonus. Okay. So guys, that's my time. Thank you all for watching. Christina, what's going on? Yes, Epic is absolutely amazing, sister. Glad to have you on the team. Glad to have you on the team. David Johnson, any updates? He said, hi, Ontarian. Any updates on when the price is supposed to be raised in order to join you guys? David, I think you're speaking on something else, my friend. Go ahead and message me when you can, David. I'll get you some details, but I think you're talking about something else. Okay. All right. So, guys, thanks for watching. Again, let's catch some PIPS. PIPS can pay your bills. PIPS can pay your bills like it's paying my bills, guys. It's not hard to do. You got to be focused. You got to stay diligent. You got to be consistent. You got to want it bad enough. And just like I had the interview with my guy Pierre a couple of days ago, who's in jail, guys. He's in jail trading. He's in jail making money. There is no excuses for you not to make it happen. All right, so the choice is yours. So if you got any questions about what I talked about today or anything dealing with Forex, feel free to reach out to me in my inbox. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Okay? Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one.